Sneezing is a natural reflex, but did you know that it can actually be dangerous? If you sneeze too hard, you risk fracturing a rib. Yes, a simple sneeze can lead to serious injury. And if you try to suppress that sneeze, you could rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck. This isn't just a minor concern, it can be life-threatening. The pressure builds up, and your body can't handle it. It's a reminder that our bodies are delicate machines. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't hold back. Let it out safely, because your health is worth it.